In this series, I aim to give you a quick introduction to some of the plant families found in the UK. Learning to identify plant families is a great help in identifying individual plant species you come across. Plants are classified into families based on characteristics that they share. So, the way to identify a plant's family is to know these characteristic features. Today we're going to look at the Amaryllidaceae, the Amaryllis family. This is a family of herbaceous perennials, almost all of which grow from and die back to bulbs. There are around 1,600 species found almost worldwide, though with a higher proportion in the tropics and subtropical areas. This family contains some major food plants, with Allium cepa, onion, Allium sativum, garlic, Allium schoenoprasum, chives, and Allium porrum, leek, all in the Amaryllidaceae. A great many are grown as ornamentals too, such as Galanthus nivalis, Snowdrop, Narcissus poeticus, Pheasant's eye, Agapanthus praecox, Agapanthus, Hippeastrum cultivars, known as Amaryllis, and Allium siculum, Sicilian Honey Garlic. Some are used medicinally, such as Allium sativum, and the extract Galanthamine from several species is used in treating Alzheimer's. In the UK, the wild species are all perennial bulbous plants and include Allium ursinum, Ramsons, Allium vineale, crow garlic, the invasive Allium paradoxum, few-flowered garlic, Galanthus nivalis, and Narcissus pseudonarcissus, daffodil. Plants in the Amaryllidaceae have flowers with 6 tepals. Tepals is the term used when sepals and petals are very similar to or indistinguishable from each other. So, rather than sepals and petals, plants in this family have tepals. These come in various colours, but tend towards white. The flowers are actinomorphic and are often, but not always, in umbels, flower heads with each flower coming out from the same point. They are frequently showy and are pollinated by insects. Narcissus species have an interesting extra feature in their flowers called a corona that forms a trumpet shape inside the tepals. They have 6 stamens. The flowers are protected in the bud by a papery bract or bracts. The flowering stems emerge straight from the underground bulb. The ovaries are most commonly superior, though are inferior in some species, for example, Narcissus and Galanthus species. The ovaries ripen into dry capsules that split in 3 to release the seeds. The leaves arise directly from the bulb and are simple and entire. They are long and strap-shaped, with parallel veins running down their length. Sheathing leaf bases may be visible. In the Allioidae, the Allium subfamily, there may be a mix of flowers and bulbils in the inflorescence. These mini bulbs are dispersed to help spread the plants. Plants in this subfamily also have a distinctive garlic or onion scent due to particular chemicals in their tissues. So, if a plant has flowers with 6 tepals, often white in colour, 6 stamens, papery bracts beneath the flowers, a dry capsule fruit, and long strap-shaped leaves that grow from an underground bulb, then it's worth checking out the Amaryllidaceae, though there are a couple of other families with similar features. If they also smell of onion, however, it's a pretty safe bet. See if you can find these 3 species on your plant hunts. Allium ursinum, Ramsons, with umbels of white star-shaped flowers, wide leaves, and a strong onion garlic smell. Allium paradoxum, few-flowered garlic, with flower heads made up of 1 or 2 flowers and a cluster of bulbils, light green leaves, and a strong garlic smell. Narcissus pseudonarcissus, daffodil, with bright yellow flowers that have a long trumpet-shaped corona, and blue-green leaves.